Hello, this is Mindy, and today I'd like to show you how to prune a silver moon clematis. Now, the first pruning of this clematis needs to occur shortly after the plant has finished blooming, and that's around July. What that does is it stimulates new growth. But you also need to go back in late winter and remove any dead growth that has occurred over the winter. Now, prior to doing that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to sterilize your pruners, and you can do that by soaking them in bleach water or rubbing the cutting surfaces with rubbing alcohol. Once you've done that, you're ready to prune your clematis. Now, as far as the dead growth, make sure that you take it all the way down to the round. You don't want any dead wood holding up your clematis. It serves absolute no purpose. And removing that wood will tidy up around the clematis and make it look more showy and presentable in your landscaping.